Hello and welcome to the second video in the SyncTimes onboarding series. In the last video, we discussed how to use the touchscreen tablets at the exam room to communicate with fellow staff members. Things such as exam room provider assignments, which rooms are occupied, patient care plans, and staff locating. In this video, we will cover the other half of the communication system, which is called the flow station. You can think of the flow station as air traffic control for your health center. You are going to see the exam rooms for your department displayed in a card view. What we are seeing here is a demo flow station that has 7 exam rooms. We can see that exam room 1 has a patient in them because of the green ribbon at the top of the exam room card. These timers are showing how long the patient has been in the room for. This image identifies the provider assignment to the exam room. These icons are the icons that have been selected from the touchscreen tablet inside or outside of the exam room. These pictures along the bottom of the exam room card are displaying which staff members are in the room. Depending on the icon that is selected, there may be an audio alert that accompanies the icon when it is selected. The flow station will likely be displayed on a TV in team rooms, nurses' stations, or provider offices. But you can also access the flow station on mobile devices or laptops. You will receive a link and a username and a password to access the flow station on your computers. You can then keep the flow station open on a separate tab on your browser. One thing to mention is the audible alerts will only sound if the flow station is open and viewable on your computer. If you would like to see more or less exam rooms on your flow station, you can adjust your settings by clicking in the top right corner. You can then select which departments you would like to view, and from there you can then select which exam rooms from those apartments you want to view. Down here you can adjust the zoom settings, and you can also mute the sounds here. If you would like to change the provider assignment from the flow station, you can do that by clicking on the provider's image and selecting the provider that you would like to assign the room to. You can also add or remove icons by clicking on them to remove them, and adding them by using the plus logo and selecting the icon that you need. Once you begin seeing patients, these metrics will start keeping track of how many visits you have seen today and what cycle times have looked like for the patients in the exam rooms. These numbers will update after each visit is completed. That will wrap it up for the flow station tutorial. In the next video, we will go over some of the extras that come with the SyncTimes system, such as emergency alerts, patient education, and surveys.